In this video, you'll learn how to install the PC-WIFI module in a Pro-C controller, connect to the internet, and configure your Pro-C controller for remote management using Centralus Irrigation Management Software. The plug-in communication module enables convenient remote operation of Pro-C controllers from anywhere via Hunter's cloud-based Centralus software. Installing the PC-WIFI module. In order to connect your Pro-C to Hunter's online irrigation management software called Centralus, you'll need to first install the PC-WIFI module in your Pro-C controller. The PC-WIFI module is only compatible with Pro-C model P2C400. If you have an earlier Pro-C model, you'll have to upgrade your controller with a new Pro-C face pack, part number 100328000SP. Once you're ready to install the PC-WIFI module in a compatible Pro-C face pack, first, slide the power lock into the power off position. Second, remove the ribbon cable socket cover using needle nose pliers. The socket cover is located just above the 9-volt battery compartment on the inside of the Pro-C face pack. Then, insert the PC-WIFI module into the slot on the inside of the P2C controller face pack and connect the PC-WIFI ribbon cable to the ribbon cable socket. Once the PC-WIFI module is installed, slide the power lock into the power on position. You're now ready to connect the PC-WIFI to the internet. Connecting to the internet. To connect your PC-WIFI module to the internet, first press the button on the PC-WIFI module. The light on the PC-WIFI module will begin to flash green, and the Wi-Fi light on the front panel of the Pro-C controller will also flash green. This means you can begin the process of connecting to the internet. Using an internet-connected computer, smartphone, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network name that starts with Pro-C2, followed by a string of numbers. The string of numbers is the serial number of your PC-WIFI module. Once connected to the Pro-C2 network, a Hunter network connection screen will appear. You can either manually enter your local Wi-Fi network or select it from the network list at the bottom of the screen. If your local network does not automatically appear, click the Refresh Network button. If your local network still does not appear, move the controller and PC-WIFI module closer to the router, or install a Wi-Fi repeater to expand the signal of your network and try again. After you select your local network, enter your network password and press Connect. The LED light on the front panel of your Pro-C controller will turn solid green if the connection to your local Wi-Fi network is successful. You're now ready to connect your controller to the Centralus online software. Centralus Setup. To set up your Pro-C controller on Centralus software for remote operation, use an internet-connected computer or mobile device and visit centralus.hunterindustries.com. From the main menu icon in the software, select Add Controller. Follow the controller setup instructions to add your controller. In this step, you'll name your controller and enter the serial number of your PC-WIFI module. The serial number can be found on the PC-WIFI module that is now installed in your Pro-C controller. After you enter a name and the serial number, select Pro-C controller as the controller type and press Next. This screen will ask you for the location of the Pro-C controller. You can either enter your address manually or use the GPS feature by clicking the Use My Location button. Once your location is entered, press Next. A controller verification screen will appear. This process ensures that the Centralus software is connecting to the correct controller. Simply turn the dial on your controller to match the dial position image shown on the Centralus software and click Next. You will have to match the image twice. After your control is verified, the controller setup process is nearly complete. Click Continue. Next, click on the main menu icon, select Controller List, and then select your new Pro-C controller. At this point, you may be prompted to update your firmware since it's the first time you're connecting. Click the Update Firmware button to automatically get the latest controller operating system. This process may take up to 15 minutes, depending on your Wi-Fi signal. Once you have the most up-to-date firmware installed, you'll lastly be prompted to choose between either importing any existing scheduling and settings from your Pro-C controller to the Centralus software, or to reset the controller programming and start fresh. After making your selection, the setup process is complete. With the PC-WIFI communication module, connecting to Hunter's cloud-based Centralus Irrigation Software is easy and enables convenient remote operation of your Pro-C controller from anywhere. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.